Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at the Dollar Tree. In this video, we're going to look for 10 amazing products here at the Dollar Tree. Some new, some old, but all amazing. Only 10. Let's go. Number one is going to be this luxury room mist here. This one is the Island Breeze, and it smells so good, guys. It says it has the fruity smell, sheer lavender, apple blossom, jasmine, cedarwood, and coconut. Oh yes, guys, I love that scent there. Number two is going to be this large egg holder shelf, guys. Yes, this is something that you can put in your refrigerator. It is a space saver, and hey, it holds up to 12 large eggs. And I tell you, I love it. Number three, guys, is this stain remover wipes. You get 12 individually wrapped wipes. You can store these everywhere. It says when traveling, at the office, and even in the car. Oh, it says treat stains shortly after they occur. Place a dry cloth or towel under the stain while treating. Apply stain remover wipe from the outside of the stain working towards the center. Yeah, so this is number three, the stain remover wipes. You get 12 here at the Dollar Tree. Number four, guys. Number four is going to be this Nonscratch score. Safe for non-stick cookware. Large grip handle helps preserve nails and hands from soapy water. And great for dishwashing, sinks, bathrooms, and showers. So yes, guys, it is amazing. Guys, this is the Scrub Buddies Non-Scratch Scorer. Yes, here at Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so right here is number five, which is dish soap. Yes, it's with plant-derived ingredients. Yeah, guys, and it is 16 ounces. Another great find here. Dish soaps, special formula with plant-derived ingredients, provides long-lasting scented suds that leaves your dishes sparkling clean. And another product is going to be number five as well, which is going to be the all-purpose cleaner by the same company. And it says cut, tough, grease, and grime with a pleasant peppermint scent. Great for use on glass, counters, tile, wood, and stone. Works great on most non-porous surfaces. Yes, guys, so this is two items, but it's going to be considered one as number five. Okay. Number six is going to be this multi-surface cleaning wipes. It's 2-time mega, guys. It is double-sized wipes for big cleaning jobs with plant-sourced fibers and plant-derived ingredients. You get 30 wipes total. Oh yes, another great find here at the Dollar Tree. And number seven is going to be this coffee and espresso machine descaling and cleaning solution. Works with all top brand brewers. Extends the life of your brewer. Safely removes scale buildup. Unclogs openings. Fast acting and odorless. And it is 13.5 ounces. Oh yes, guys, this is a brand new item here at the Dollar Tree, and this is a must-have. Alrighty, guys, number six, I think. Right here we have the concentrated bleach tablets. You get 10 tablets per tube. So one tube is equivalent to a half-gallon of liquid bleach. How about that? So we have the linen scent and the original scent. Whoa, this is amazing. I usually get mine from Walmart or Amazon, but they have them here at the Dollar Tree, guys. A total of 10. Great, great, great find. And this is new at my store. Alrighty, guys, another new find here at the Dollar Tree. I think this is number 7 or 8. Oh my goodness, I'm losing count. It's going to be considered one, but we're going to go over two products because they're by the same company, which is Brillo, which is this basic foaming toilet bowl cleaner. They also have the basic spray starch. So yes, guys, this is great to have right here. It is 12 ounces on each one of them. And it says clean your toilet and safely flush away the germy mess. Eliminates the most disgusting cleaning chore in the home with less work for you. Just spray and walk away. So yes, that's new this week here at my store. Number 8, guys, is this refreshing and smoothing thighs sheet mask with hyaluronic acid and caffeine. It says check it out. So it says that it feels renewed and show off your thighs with these uniquely shaped masks. This confident boosting formula will help to renew your skin. Works great for all shapes and sizes. Ooh-wee. Well, all right, how do you use it? It says apply a sheet to each leg on the back thigh area on clean, dry skin. Let the sheet mask nourish your skin for 10 to 20 minutes and avoid sitting while wearing. Remove the mask and massage excess serum into the skin. No need to rinse. Alrighty, guys. So, hey, that's a new one. Okay, guys, so we're on number 8. And number 8 is going to have more than one because they're by the same company. This is a period emergency kit just for her unexpected situations and first-time period emergencies. So, yes, guys, it is plant-based, and I think this is amazing. Oh, yes. So, if you know, you know. And here we have the vinegar and water just for her. Extra cleansing douche. Gently cleanses and refreshes. You get a twin pack in this one. And also just for her has these individually wrapped flushable cleansing wipes. You get 12 total. All by just for her. Alright, guys, this one is the Pets Plus Pet Cleansing Wipes. Now, we went over these about a few weeks ago, but they still have them here at the Dollar Tree. Okay, guys, this is a 2-pack of the Nonscratch Scrub Sponge by Brillo. Oh, yes, guys, another great find here at the Dollar Tree. All-purpose scrubber here. This is a new find here. Alrighty. Alrighty, friends, have you all seen this? This is a Hamburger patty press. Ooh, nice, right? They always have the coin tray set of a count of 4, but my first time seeing that one. I'm impressed. Ooh. All right, all right. All right, friends, this is a foaming garbage disposal cleaner, deep cleans disposer, and drain pipe. You get 2 pouches. Okay. All right, guys, this is the cutest little sign right here that says enjoy. Isn't that cute? That one says relax. Oh, and this one says love. Well, these are just too cute. This one says home sweet home with the little bee. That one says welcome. That one says porch. Okay, home sweet home. Well, those are just too cute. And then here's a little sign here that says welcome. This one says blessed. I like those. And have the Coca-Cola. Things go better with Coke. I know that's right. And this one. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all again for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.